you see one thing with the building construction work wey some people no know. The work, this sector, na him dey choose people, people no dey choose am. Yes, na construction work dey choose people, people no dey choose am. You don ever ask yourself why be say person finish school, he graduate, you still find yourself in building work, you dey go dey do gwaja. Some dey go as far as learning tailor, fashion design, still yet e no go work out where dem go land theirself construction work. Some go learn mechanic for where you go land yourself for construction work. You don ask yourself why e be like that? Construction work na God handwork, na him be that. He create. Yes, creation, anything got to do with creation got to do with God. So na him go choose you there. So if you find yourself in building work, accept am with faith, full am with pressure, full am with all your mind, with all your strength, so that you go get a good result. Peace and love.